Golden silk steamed custard buns, Nei Huang Bao. A delicious Cantonese dessert dim sum recipe. This recipe serves 12 buns. Preparation takes about 45 minutes. And cooking takes around 15 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 3 pieces large eggs, a half cup granulated sugar, a half cup whole milk, a quarter cup heavy cream, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1/3 cup wheat starch, a quarter cup milk powder, 2 pieces salted egg yolks, 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon instant yeast. Step 1. Prepare the custard. In a medium bowl, whisk the eggs and sugar until pale. Stir in the milk, heavy cream, and melted butter until well combined. Step 2. Sift the wheat starch and milk powder into the egg mixture. Whisk vigorously to ensure there are no lumps. If using salted egg yolks, fold them in now. Step 3. Steam the custard. Pour the mixture into a shallow heat-proof dish. Place in a steamer over medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring every 5 minutes with a spatula to ensure a smooth, even curd. Once thickened and holding its shape, remove and let cool completely. Step 4. Once the custard is cool, divide it into 12 equal portions, about 25 g each. Roll them into smooth balls and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to firm up. Step 5. Make the dough. In a large bowl, dissolve sugar and yeast in warm water. Let sit for 5 minutes until foamy. Step 6. Add the flour, baking powder, and oil to the yeast mixture. Stir until a shaggy dough forms, then knead by hand or stand mixer for 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth, elastic, and no longer sticky. Step 7. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover with a damp cloth, and let it proof in a warm place for about 1 hour, or until doubled in size. Step 8. Punch down the proofed dough to release air bubbles. Transfer to a flat surface and knead for another 2 minutes to ensure a fine crumb. Step 9. Divide the dough into 12 equal pieces, about 40-45 g each. Roll each piece into a ball. Step 10. Flatten a dough ball with your palm, then use a rolling pin to roll it into a 4-inch circle, making the edges slightly thinner than the center. Step 11. Place a chilled custard ball in the center. Pleat the edges upward to seal the bun, pinching tightly at the top. Place the bun seam side down on a small square of parchment paper. Step 12. Arrange buns in the steamer basket, leaving 2 inches of space between them. Cover and let them proof a second time for 20 minutes. Step 13. Steam the buns, bring water to a boil, then reduce to medium heat. Place the steamer on and steam for 10 minutes. Turn off the heat but do not open the lid for at least 5 minutes to prevent the buns from collapsing due to the temperature change. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.